Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial we are gonna learn about hypot method, or you can say function, in the math object. What it does, it returns the square root of the sum of the squares. So what are those sum of the squares? It's arguments. The thing you're gonna pass inside are the arguments. So let's begin. What we're gonna do is log it on a console, use the math object, and now what we're gonna do is hypot, and the arguments we are gonna pass is it's gonna what it does is take it as the sum of squares and find the square root out of it. So like we do like 3 comma 4, you're gonna say 5, like 3 square plus 4 square, like like 3 square is it's 9, and in the it's something like 4 16, and if we do that, answer will be 25. And if we find the root out of it, it's gonna say 5. So what it does is find that, and like not only we gonna find 2, we can find more than that, like 5 comma 12, we're gonna say 13, and now let's put more than 2, so 3 comma 4 comma 5, 7.07. so this is what it does. And why now you're gonna call like, hey Asa, what the heck hypot means? So what it does is it gonna we call hypotenuse in the right angle. So that's how it's the name comes from. So don't bother about that, just do that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.